Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Mishra. Today, going to continue with Standard 7, question answer of Chapter 7, Introduction of to HTML. HTML के इंट्रोडक्शन इस चैप्टर में हम लोगों ने उस बुक को ऑलमोस्ट सारे टॉपिक को डिस्कशन किया है और इसके अलावा जो ऑब्जेक्टिव हैं उसको भी किया है। एक बार फिर इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव को देखिए कि hypertext is a piece of the ordinary text that has been spruced up with a special features of linking to other document or the web page. Second one, web browser are used to view the HTML document. Third, in HTML5, canvas features help into drawing image directly in the web page, and container element include both on and off tag. Line break element split the line and display the text on a new lines. And true false. In HTML5 comes into existence around 2008 is the true, and tag and attribute name are the case sensitive with the false. Property defined how different element look on the web page is the true, and with the inline method, effects get applied to all the element of the web page is the false. You can add an image in the background of a web page with the help of the picture tab is the false. Now MCQ. HTML is the improved version of the HTML, and AMIA is a web editor program. The HR tag draw the horizontal line across the web page, and CSS provides a set of the style rules for defining the layout of a HTML document, and a property and its value is collectively known as the declaration. The background helps into placing the picture on image at the desired place on the HTML. Now question number 1, what is HTML? HTML is the hypertext markup language. It is a complete code package that allows the users to create web page that contains both text and the graphics. It is a simple markup language that describes the structure and behavior of the web document. Question number 2, name the term tag and attribute. Tag are the building block of the web page. They contain elements that define how the information on a web page is formatted or the displayed. Each tag in the HTML follows the specific rules and syntax. These tags are not case sensitive, whereas an attribute is a property that provides the additional information about an HTML element. It enhances the functionality of a tag. An attribute is always specified inside the opening tag. Attribute values is always included within quotes. We can use more than one attribute inside a tag. And question number 3, what is HTML element and explain its various type. An HTML element consists of on tag, the contents, and off tag. The HTML contents can be categorized container tag and empty tag. Container tag, the element that include the both on and off tag is called container tag. BR, it makes the text and bold. Text the bold. And empty tag, element contain only on tag. They do not have off tag. They elements do not enclosed any data. Instead, they do not some function on their own. Example, BR, it break the line and display the text from the next line. Question number 4, what are the basic tools used to work HTML document? Give an example. The two basic tools of the way works on HTML documents are HTML editor for the certainly and the saving documents, browser for viewing the documents, HTML editor. WYSIWYG stand for what you see in what you get. These apps, a web editor, allow you to developers to see what the end result will look like while the document is being created. These editor provide various tools and graphics interface where the web page are designed like AMIA, Google Web Browser. Text editor, we can create the HTML edited documents using the normal text editor like the Notepad or the WordPad. Browser, web browser are the used to view the HTML documents. Some commonly used web browser are the Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera, Mozilla Firefox. These are the browser. Thank you. Have a nice day.